Hey there! Thanks for stopping by and checking out our course snippet, taken from the Web Development Masterclass. In our course, we teach the full web development lifecycle, including all the latest web technologies and cloud hosting frameworks. For full course details and registration, please visit the link down below in the info section.
CSS allows many different text formatting options. We've worked with some of them in the past, but others will be new to you. We'll go through a number of them in this lecture. To begin, please open the exercise file located in the Downloads folder corresponding to this lesson. Once open, let's preview this file in our web browser. We can see that the file consists of a number of paragraphs of text. Each block of text is contained within an open and close div tag. We also have a style sheet that contains a number of classes relevant to text formatting. The classes are contained within the open and close style tags. We'll go through each definition contained within the classes to explain what they're used for. The first class contains a color style declaration. We've worked with this in the past. The color declaration will change the color of the text it is applied to. Let's go ahead and apply this class to the first paragraph. Now save the file and preview it in the browser. So we can see here that the first paragraph has changed to the color red. The next two classes are almost identical to the first. They are color declarations. The difference is these two declarations use color codes. The first declaration uses a web color code, and the second uses an RGB color code. If you're unsure what this means, please review our lecture on color codes. Let's go ahead and update our class reference to the second class. So text color 2. Now save the file and just refresh your browser, and we can see that the color is now green for the first paragraph. As you probably guessed, the third class will do the same thing. We'll just save that and refresh the browser. And we can see that the text color is now purple. The next class has a letter spacing declaration. This allows us to adjust the amount of space between each character in a word, sentence, or block of text. This declaration has a value of 10 pixels. You can increase this value for more spacing or decrease it for less. Let's apply this class to the second paragraph of text. I'll just copy it so that way it ensures I don't make any spelling mistakes when I'm entering it in. And then save the file. And I'll refresh the browser. So now we can see we have a 10 pixel space in between each character in this block of text. In addition to letter spacing, we also have the word spacing declaration. This allows us to adjust the spacing between words rather than letters. Let's apply this this class to the third paragraph. We'll save the file and reload our browser. So now we can see the 10 pixel spacing between each word in this paragraph. The next class we have is the text align declaration. This allows us to align our text using left, right, center, or justify as the value. The default is left, so let's go ahead and change this to center and see what happens. We'll also need to apply this class to any one of the paragraphs. Then we'll save it and refresh the browser. So we can see the alignment is now centered. Next, we have the text declaration. We've worked with this one before. The value of this declaration is currently underlined. Other possibilities include overline, line through, and blink. You can replace the underline with each one and apply the class to a paragraph to see the results. We also have the text transform declaration, which allows us to change text to capitalized letters. You can also change the value to lowercase by replacing capitalized with lowercase. So we'll go ahead and apply this class. Now we'll just refresh our browser. There's only a couple of capital letters in this paragraph. So you can see that they've switched to lowercase now. And this time I'll change it to capitals and refresh. And we can see that the first letter of each word is now capitalized. If you want to change all the letters to uppercase characters, then you can use the uppercase declaration. And now all the characters are uppercase.